Welcome to the Dayton Business Spotlight, your source for what's now, what's new, and what's next in the Dayton business community. And now, here's your host, Phil Herzing.
Welcome back to the Dayton Business Spotlight. I'm Phil Herzing, and today we're joined with Chad Swain of Smartview Electronics. Hello, Chad.
Hello, Phil.
Chad, tell me a little bit about Smartview. What is it that you all do?
Smartview Electronics is a digital video company that sells security products to dealers who then sell to end users. So we also sell access control, video equipment, cameras, and other security products.
What industries are you primarily serving, and what do you think is the future look like for those industries?
What we're seeing in the industry is, whether it's a good market out there or a tough market, is that people and businesses are trying to protect their assets. What we're noticing is in the retail and in the grocery business, an increase in cameras and security equipment, as well as in universities and schools. Today, the security industry is about a $20 billion business. We see that growing, especially with the homeland security challenges and other unfortunate market issues. Theft and crime are on the rise, and we're there, and the products that we do protect those businesses and people and assets.
What does the future look like for Smartview?
Well, I believe the future is great, especially in the Dayton market. What we notice in Dayton is we have really a hub between Indianapolis and Chicago, Columbus, Detroit, and even as far as Louisville. We see a really good, strong Midwest market, and we're very excited about being here.
How did you choose to locate here?
I believe it's about the people. Dayton, Ohio, and some of the advantages of Wright-Patt Air Force Base, being able to draw off an engineering base. The future and growth of our company is about bringing talent, and I like the Midwest atmosphere. I went to Ohio University, originally from the Ohio market, so I think the work ethic and the people are really the strong suit of why we're here.
Now, what would you say to someone who is considering relocating to Dayton, Ohio?
I believe it's a great family community. It has both a city as well as the suburban, it's the suburban market, depending on what you like, for your kids and your family. What I found is just an outpour from the Entrepreneur Center of help. People asking you and encouraging you to start your own business, come to the Entrepreneur Center and be able to, to have that extra jump start and that support. It's been amazing, the support that I've received.
Oh, that's excellent. Now, since you brought it up, tell us a little bit about the Entrepreneur Center and what it's doing for you.
Great. Well, Barbara and her team, I think in our first month, we were able to bring in our people and our product and really have a huge jump start. We didn't have to buy our own phone system. We didn't have to buy our own internet sourcing and system. They had all those resources available to us. So we were able to really walk in from the ground up and really not be distracted with all those little things that take a lot of time and get focused on growing the business. I think the economics of being in the market where you're close to Chicago, you're close to Columbus, and you've got this Midwest feel, it really allows you to travel without using air transportation, and saves you a lot of time. You can get to a lot of different markets, and there's a ton of business here in this area.
I wanted to ask you about your website. Your website has a very interesting feature on it that the folks seeing this video might want to see. Tell us a little bit about this flying insect on your site.
Okay. Well, the concept on Smartview is we have a bumblebee on our website. It's smartviewei.com. And the concept is that a lot of the security products that are out there today are really independent from each other. You can't grab a lot of data in one location. What we are developing is what's called a deep integration, where that bumblebee, which is our logo, you'll see the bumblebee, today has to go to multiple hives to grab that data. In the future of Smartview is the bumblebee is in one hive and grabs all the data to be able to manage and control your security products. So a digital video system and an access control system will be one system instead of two like they are today. So we call that a deep integration, and we're using the bumblebee as a way of pushing that forward. It's a brand recognition for us.
Well, thank you for joining us today, Chad. And thank you for joining us for another edition of the Dayton Business Spotlight. Please check out one of our other videos.